Jen from Rustic Rehabs. It's Tuesday at almost noon. I'm running a little bit late, but the parking lot is full here in Menomonee Falls and the sun is out. Probably everybody's here because it's supposed to snow tomorrow, so let's see if we can find anything good. It's also double points this next couple of days in southeast Menomonee Falls. What am I saying? It's also double points in southeast Wisconsin Goodwill, so let's go score some deals.
Beneath the starlit sky, our love's secret line, like leaves we soar so high. Beneath the moon.
I've always thought this photograph was so amazing. I cannot imagine sitting that far up and then eating my lunch. This is a really cute map of the United States, and so I picked this up, and it is in my kid area. It was $15, which is more than I usually pay, but it was really, really unique to me.
I know July is gone. You make me feel at home in the neon glow. As the leaves change color, I dive into you.
This is cute, just for $2 plus our little home. I live in a little home. I've seen this before. Maybe on one of my coasters. In marriage, you start out with a heart and a diamond, and then by the time you're done, you want a club and a spade. I think that's pretty funny. The artist of these signed one of them. I think they're from 2012, and they were $6 each. This is one of my favorite quotes from Teddy Roosevelt about putting yourself out there and being criticized by people who are afraid to do so. I remind myself and my friends of this every time somebody's coming at us from the cheap seats on social media. This gossip sign is so cute, and it already sold. This little airplane with hooks already sold. It was older than the girl who checked me out. This piece we flipped along with a bunch of others using the new Roycycled Papers. I will leave a link in the comments or the description. Shop my website. These papers make it so easy to make your own spring art. Gotta check out the papers in the new Prima. They're really good. I love this little bunny picture that someone made, and then this, we cleaned up the back and it is for sale. We'll put this sweet little canvas with the bike away until it gets a little bit warmer out. And I love, love, love this. It's just a simple canvas, but it is going in my office to remind me that everything is a miracle. Look at the bright side, all of those things. I may end up, if this thing is still there, it needs some work, but this would look really cute on my dresser that has construction transfers on it. Look at this thing. You can see more about this dresser and nightstand on my website, or come in Tuesday through Saturday in our shop in Menomonee Falls, Wisconsin. We love little kids in our shop, and we really love giving them fun furniture so they love their bedrooms. I think I'm overdue for a post on weird things I didn't buy. Look at this. I'm saving up some good ones, so stay tuned soon. I put these penguins away for next Christmas. And we love elephants at the shop. This turquoise one is a vintage-ish kind of Target, so we cleaned him up and put him out. I saw 2 sets of these kissing angels today, but I passed on both of them. I was trying to be picky because we're cleaning up in my shop in the storage areas, and I'm not trying to contribute to any more overstock. I would have bought these chickens a few years ago, but I don't really have a good farmhousey kind of place to put them, so we left them for someone else. It's a fine balance between having enough stuff to make the store look good and having too much stuff, and so I'm trying to be more and more careful about it. This is a big lemon. I thought about this for a while for summer, but honestly, I put it back. Would you have picked up this lemon? Same thing with this bowling cat cookie jar. I just thought this was so funny. Oh my gosh. But we left them for someone else to enjoy. Here's the other kissing angels. They're pretty cute. Again, this bathtub soap dish, I love it, but I put it back. Winter is a tough time in retail after Christmas, so I'm trying to be extra careful and buy things that I know you guys really would put in your homes and I would put in mine versus just something that is a good deal. Speaking of deals, we had a flood at the shop this weekend. I came into water on my checkout counter overnight and all over my floors. So while we're working through that, you get a sale. Shop online, choose store pickup or shipping, excludes DIY paint. Another contender for a weird thrift item I didn't pick, mama and baby deer with an ashtray. What? I did grab 3 of these bird votive candle holders. I'd like to paint these and turn these into succulent holders, or we might try our hand with some solowood flowers on them for spring. Stay tuned. I did not have a chance to work on that this week. Here's another sweet elephant that came home with us. I think we put him in the kid area. This little bunny is so cute, actually. I wish I would have picked it up, but maybe next time we'll see if it's still there. This birdhouse that looks like a church is super cute and sold this week to one of our regular in-store customers. That sign was cute. This nutcracker is cute, but he's got a huge skull bash in that I'm not willing to fix. This was a tree topper. I don't really buy those anymore. Not the cardboard ones. They just seem cheap and break. I passed on the Ray Dunn, but I do love this Santa. These sort of old world trekking Santas, we call them, they do really well in our shop and they make it look so festive. So we'll put him away till later this year. I gotta say, the older I get, the more I feel this way. I'm just gonna get it myself, Santa. We're good. And how cute is this guy? These 3 guys. We'll put this away in our Christmas stash too. Pro tip, when you're shopping, you can use your winter down coat to protect your items. If you ever see something that you absolutely love and want to have that I say we're going to put away until the season comes up, message us and we'll try to accommodate you. Usually we clean them up and put them away in our storage, but I would really love to find things at home too. It's just, this is the system that works best for us so that I can stash things away all year long for every holiday. I kind of love this Happy Halloween bowl, so we will put this away. And there was some cool looking really big vases or lanterns too, but nothing that I couldn't live without. And the prices were a little steep for resale, so we just left it for someone else. Heading down the last aisle, I have a lot of vases and florals, so we're just gonna be looking for some rare gems in these very crowded aisles. I love yellow for springtime, but that was sprayed glass and it was very scratched. I did pick up this. I'm not sure if it's carnival glass, but it looks like it could be. And to me, it's just very sweet. We'll put it with our vanities and all of our little girly areas. It'd be great for a ring holder, things like that. Let's shake up the music as we near the end of our shopping spree. I liked the shape and the style of this, but it was broken, and I don't think it'd be the easiest fix for me, so I ended up putting it back. And I have a lot more projects that will make me a lot more money than to play with that. So back it goes, and I think this is about the end. This mirror is kind of cool, but it was didn't look like it had a really good way to hang it. And it was a little, I think it was $10, so it was a little out of my resale range for something I wasn't sure how to even stage properly. Let's take our precious finds and head up to the checkout. We spent $76 and we got double points, so that should get us some new coupons for next week. Take care, and I'll see you soon.